Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing another unpacking because there's no box. We're going to be doing another unpacking slash review slash I already have it tried on, but I have another one. So let's get right into it. We have the Yeezy Gap engineered by Balenciaga flame cap. This is how it comes. They call it true black, which it is I know that sounds stupid that you have to call something true black, but if you sell items that are like vintage, worn, ashier type blacks, then you do want to say that it is a true black. And this, in fact, is a true black, very black. So here's the cap. The cap retails for $80. I purchased mine for $80 retail. You are currently able to get this at farfetch.com right now for retail, and then on a couple of the resale websites it's a little bit above resale, not too much right now. It has the adjustable strap in the back. Note that it is Velcro, and I also noticed from me putting it on mine, I had to tighten it quite a bit just because I like my hat to be tight, fit right. I don't like the loose feel at all, so I had to adjust it quite a bit. It already feels kind of flimsy. The strap doesn't feel like it's gonna hold up, which is something that is extremely irritating to me when Velcro gives, and I feel like this might give fast. The flame design on the front is embroidered, and on the back the gap is embroidered as well. There's no Balenciaga on any of the Yeezy Gap Balenciaga items, which I don't like. I would like for these items to have maybe a special collab tag on the inside, Yeezy Gap Balenciaga, or a small Balenciaga written somewhere, because it being engineered by Balenciaga is one of the main selling points for these pieces. So for the people that won't or don't buy Balenciaga directly, when these items are bought, you're able to have a little piece of the brand. So it'd be nice to have a little B or something somewhere on these pieces, I mean, because they're not exactly cheap. So all in all, I really do like this hat. I think it'll be a good piece to have if you're into it. It'll go with a wide range of style, whatever your style may be. If you like this video and want to see more like it, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like the video and comment below if you like the hat or not.